just to run a phone thing. I ain't playing with them, I'ma do them ugly. I ain't for the games, I ain't for the fuckery. You know my style, bang it on now. Okay, corral style, lay that boy down. Clap niggas the fuck up. Course take rap niggas the fuck up. And that's the least of it. On the other hand, you get your head creased, you bitch. I'm a beast with this. Instagram thuggin', niggas stay so. Crown that boy a halo. Counterfeit, head split to the white meat, covered in a white sheet with your Jordan sticking out of it.
East side of Brownsville, foul still. Clowns nil will get drowned when we spill. Wet your block like a hydrant. Your tail is spin like a mermaid, nigga. You hear the sirens. People crying, your people's hiding. Your brain stuck to the wall like siding. God, I control the wave like Poseidon's. Trident, chewing gum, kicking ass, the blick, the blast, smoke filled lungs. My kidneys take liquor baths. Raise the ratchet, different class, different cloth. Bricks in a pot full like chicken broth.
Give it up for a G. Come on. They raise beats where I come from. Married to the street where I come from. Cold hearted, deep where I come from. Catch a hell, Pete where I come from. Pro Tools, Palomar from Austria. 17, 9 by 18. Popular, square headed, full of steam. And I put a stop to a nigga's dreams. I traveled over the sea. Stealth mode, scattered all in the street. Without me, you wouldn't be complete. No, nigga, you niggas couldn't even eat. I'm protecting the teeth. I bring youth to the sheets. Act sweet. I'm the passion of Gaston. Today I'm the hood main attraction.